The final VR2000 gaming earphones blend practicality and top-notch features, making them an excellent choice for dedicated gamers. With a focus on spatial acoustics, a personalized fit, and a unique design, these earphones live up to expectations. While the cost might be something to think about, the overall user experience makes it a worthwhile investment for gamers looking for a competitive edge. The final VR2000 features an eye-catching thermoplastic body shell design reminiscent of a stealthy camo military fighter jet, sporting a unique dark olive color scheme. The only available color for these earphones. Unlike most in-ear monitors, IEMs, with detachable connections, the VR2000 comes with a permanent wired connection, making them non-detachable. This contrasts with IEMs that typically have a 2-pin or MMCX detachable connection, allowing users to switch or replace cables, even turning them into wireless with a 2-pin Bluetooth IEM cable. An option not available with the final VR2000. While fixed-wired earphones offer the advantage of a durable connection, reinforced with robust rubber strain reliefs, they lack the versatility of detachable options. Within the VR2000 earphones, you'll discover a 6mm dynamic driver unit, making them single-driver IEMs. The provided silicone ear tips, which come as part of the package, exude a premium look and feel. They feature a thick flange with a robust inner bore, ensuring durability and offering excellent passive isolation, effectively blocking external sounds and enhancing bass response. One small drawback is that these silicone tips may not be as comfortable for extended wear as thinner alternatives. The nozzle of the VR2000 earphones is of medium size and is protected by a fabric mesh tip. Additionally, the outer faceplate of the earphones is branded and blank, catering to those who appreciate a minimalist design. The VR2000 earphones come with a non-detachable wired cable made of OFC, oxygen-free copper, measuring 1.2 meters in length and ending with a right-angled 3.5 millimeters connector. Along the cable, there's an inline remote featuring 3 buttons and a backside microphone. The remote and clicky buttons are crafted from plastic, ensuring a small, lightweight, and compact design. 3.5 centimeters long by 0.7 centimeters wide by 0.5 centimeters thick, preventing excessive dragging. Positioned 20 centimeters down the cable is the inline remote, while the Y-splitter is located 44 centimeters down, and there's a cable inch for effective management. Regarding the cable itself, it adopts a speaker cable 2-core design, incorporating 2 cores side by side within a single cable. While the design may not be the most visually appealing, it boasts durability, resistance to tangling, and eliminates microphonics. The detachable ear hook feature is user-friendly, involving a rubber silicone strip seamlessly embedded along the cable and fastened via 2 tiny latch closures. This design enhances the versatility of the VR2000 earphones, allowing them to be worn straight down or around the top of the ears. One potential concern is the fiddly nature of the tiny latch closures, which could break prematurely. However, it's reassuring that the ear hooks can be securely inserted without needing to fasten the latch closures, providing a practical solution in case of breakage. The VR2000 earphones boast a sensitivity of 102 decibels and impressively low impedance, 18 ohms, making them easily drivable to high fidelity directly from a phone without the need for a headphone amplifier. The sound profile isn't tailored for audiophiles. Instead, it's optimized for gaming, emphasizing bass and mid-range, with subdued treble and a spacious detailed soundstage for pinpointing footsteps and other audio cues. This configuration delivers an exceptionally immersive 3D-like listening experience, making the VR2000 well-suited for binaural audio enjoyment too. Weighing in at just 20 grams, the earphones, along with the pair of ear hooks, which weigh 1 gram, prioritize lightweight comfort. With a wired 3.5mm connection, the VR2000 earphones are compatible with various gaming platforms, such as Oculus Rift, Sony PlayStation 5, and Microsoft Xbox Series X.